Hi guys, you are welcome once again to this beautiful channel. Our topic of discourse is subscribing to this channel. If you look down below, you will see a subscription button. Please subscribe. If you have not, subscribe now so that this channel will continue to move forward. Thank you so much for subscribing. I'm sure you're on that now. Now let's look at the board quickly. General mathematics, and our focus is number system. Looking at this question is a YX standard question. If 55 base x plus 52 base x is equal to 77 base 10, find x. So let's keep on with the work. 55 base x plus 52 base x is equal to 77 base 10. The number is equal to 77 base 10. The good news is this: if you are converting to base 10, you are to expand. If you are converting base 10 numbers to other bases, you are to divide. Having said that, there is a need to expand. Why are we expanding? Because this number has an unknown base and is equal to a number with base 10. So let's keep on. This is 55. So this is 0, 1. 0, 1, meaning unit tens. That's what it means. So if we are expanding, it will now be 5 times x. 5 times x raised to power 1 plus 5 times x raised to power 1 times 5 times x raised to power 0 plus 5 times x raised to power 1 plus 2 times x raised to power 0 is equal to 77 base 10. Looking at the board carefully, we are properly expanded. So what do we need to do? Let's multiply and see. 5x, 5 times x raised to power 1. X raised to power 1 is still the same as x. So 5 times x is 5x plus 5 times 1. X raised to power 0 is equal to 1 according to the law of indices. So this is correct. Plus 5x. X raised to power 1 is still the same as x. Then 2 times 1 is equal to 77. Keep on simplifying. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 5x plus 2 is equal to 77. There is a need to regroup. To regroup means to rearrange accordingly. So 5x plus 5x plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 77. 5x plus 5x, that is 10x plus 7 is equal to 77. I will need you guys to look down below this video by the right, subscribe so that this channel will keep on growing. Once you belong to this family, you are scientifically covered. Please subscribe. Mathematically, scientifically, we are there. So just subscribe and enjoy all the numerous benefits. You are all welcome. So let's keep on. So now we have to collect terms. Let's collect terms. 10x is equal to 77 minus 7. 10x is equal to 70. Looking at the board, there is a need to make x the subject. To make x the subject, you divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 10. So it will be 10x over 10 is equal to 70 over 10. So 10 will cancel out 10. X is equal to 7 because 0 cancel out 0. The answer is 7. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to this channel and keep pushing us forward. Thank you so much. I really appreciate everyone. Bye for now.